5 Cough remedies and natural cures. Coughing is a common reaction to the respiratory system trying to expel harmful microbes, dust or irritants. It can be a symptom of an underlying illness such as pneumonia, bronchitis, asthma or lung cancer. Coughs can be a good thing or it may be a symptom of a number of possible problems. As mucus, phlegm or sputum, or other substances accumulate in the airways, this reflexive action tries to facilitate unobstructed breathing. The cure for a cough must treat the cause. Natural cough remedies include eating cough-fighting foods, avoiding sugar, dairy and processed foods as well as adding the necessary nutrients and supplements, such as vitamin C, to your daily routine. Find my complete list of natural cough remedies for kids, adults and fast relief below. Top foods to relieve coughs. Water helps thin mucus. Drink 8 to 16 ounces every 2 hours. Chicken broth, real bone broth helps thin mucus and soothe muscles. Garlic naturally boosts the immune system. Ginger is anti-inflammatory. Fermented foods, good bacteria from kefir or sauerkraut help prevent the colonization of harmful bacteria. Foods to avoid: sugar decreases white blood cells that help fight off infection. Fruit juices, although orange juice contains some vitamin C, it is not as high in vitamin C as whole fruits or vegetables. If you want to drink juice, dilute it. Conventional dairy products, cow's milk that has been pasteurized is mucus-producing. Chocolate can also increase mucus production. Processed foods contain harmful additives and GMOs that cause an inflammatory reaction and mucus production by the body. Top 5 natural cough remedies. Number 1 Vitamin C, 1000 mg 3-4x daily, helps with immune system function and boosts white blood cells. Number 2 Echinacea, 1000 mg 2-3x daily. This herb can help your body fight off colds, but it is best to take it at the first sign of illness. Number 3 Licorice, 500 mg 4x daily. Short-term use only, can reduce coughing and enhance immune system function. It should not be used by people with high blood pressure. Number 4 N-acetylcysteine, 300 to 500 mg 2x daily, good for people with chronic cough to help reduce the viscosity of phlegm. Number 5 Peppermint essential oil, breathing in peppermint essential oil with a diffuser can help reduce coughing. Bonus remedy, astragalus, 500 to 1000 mg 2-3x daily, helps strengthen weak lungs and fight off any underlying infection. Essential oils for coughs. Making a homemade vapor rub with eucalyptus and peppermint oil is an effective treatment for reducing coughs.